Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today we're diving into how to write a professional concern letter. This type of letter is used to formally address an issue you're experiencing, whether it's related to work, customer service, or safety. I'll guide you step by step on how to structure and craft a clear and effective concern letter. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident in voicing your concerns professionally and constructively. Let's get started. Sender information. The first step in your concern letter is to include your contact information at the top of the page. This ensures that the recipient knows exactly who the letter is from and how to reach you. Include your full name, address, email address, and phone number. For example, your name, your address, city, state, zip code, email address, phone number. This section is essential because it establishes your identity and provides multiple ways for the recipient to contact you. Be sure to format it neatly and professionally. Date. Next, include the date below your contact information. The date should reflect when you're writing the letter. For instance, date, January 29th, 2025. This detail is particularly important for documentation purposes. It serves as a reference point for when your concern was officially raised and allows for clear tracking of communication. Recipient details. Now address the recipient. Include their full name, job title, and the name and address of the company or organization you're contacting. For example, recipient's name, recipient's job title, company/organization name, address, city, state, zip code. This ensures your letter reaches the right person and sets the tone for a professional interaction. Subject line. The subject line summarizes the purpose of your letter. It should be concise and directly related to the issue at hand. For example, subject, concern regarding, briefly state the issue. A clear subject line helps the recipient quickly understand the focus of your letter and prioritize it accordingly. Salutation. Use a polite salutation to address the recipient. If you know their name, use it, such as, "Dear recipient's name," if you don't know their name. "To whom it may concern" is an acceptable alternative. This greeting sets a respectful tone for your letter. Opening paragraph. The opening paragraph is where you introduce the issue. Clearly state the concern and its impact. For example, I am writing to express my concern regarding. Clearly state the issue, such as the recent changes in company policies, a matter involving customer service, or a safety concern. This matter has caused. Explain the impact of the issue, such as confusion among employees, inconvenience to customers, or potential risks to safety. This introduction should be direct yet courteous. It sets the stage for the rest of your letter by clearly outlining what prompted you to write. First body paragraph, background and context. In this section, provide context for your concern. Include relevant details, dates, or examples that help the recipient understand the issue. For instance, to provide context, briefly explain the background of the issue, including relevant details, dates, or examples, such as, "On specific date, I noticed that." Providing context is crucial because it allows the recipient to fully grasp the situation. Be as specific as possible, but avoid including unnecessary details that might confuse the reader. Second body paragraph, importance of addressing the concern. Next, emphasize why addressing the issue is important. Discuss the potential benefits of resolving the matter or the risks of ignoring it. For example, I believe that addressing this concern is crucial to ensure. Mention the desired outcome, such as a better working environment, customer satisfaction, or the safety and well-being of everyone involved. This paragraph reinforces the significance of your concern and highlights its broader implications. Use a positive tone to frame the resolution as mutually beneficial. Third body paragraph, suggested solution or action. Here, propose a solution or request specific action from the recipient. Be clear and realistic in your suggestions. For example, I would greatly appreciate it if you could suggest a potential solution or request specific action, such as review this matter thoroughly, implement additional measures, or clarify the changes. Offering a solution demonstrates that you're proactive and committed to resolving the issue. It also gives the recipient a clear idea of what steps to take next. Fourth body paragraph, availability for further discussion. In the final body paragraph, express your willingness to provide additional information or discuss the matter further. For example, Please feel free to contact me at your phone number or your email address if you need further details or clarification. I am more than willing to discuss this issue at your convenience. This paragraph shows that you're open to dialogue and cooperative in resolving the concern. It also reiterates your contact information for easy follow-up. Closing paragraph. Wrap up your letter by thanking the recipient and expressing confidence in their attention to the matter. For example, thank you for your time and understanding. I trust that this matter will be handled with the seriousness it deserves. A courteous closing leaves a positive impression and reinforces your expectation of a resolution. Closing and signature. End your letter with a professional closing, such as, "Sincerely, your full name." If applicable, include your job title and company name beneath your name. This final touch ensures that your letter is complete and professional. And that's how you craft a well-structured concern letter. By following these steps, you can effectively communicate your concerns in a professional manner that encourages a prompt resolution. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more writing tips. Drop any questions or comments below, and I'll be happy to help. See you next time.